2020 has certainly been a challenging year for us all to navigate. It has taught us that anything can happen. And the more resilient and adaptable we are, the easier it is for us to course correct when we need to. I want to help you plan and manifest an abundant year ahead. Each and every one of us has a deep inner strength, and that strength enables us to adapt and survive whatever the external context. Wherever you are right now, each day brings a new opportunity to press reset and to start again. I'm Lawrence Mitchell, and I'm a well-being and leadership coach and the co-founder of Finding Equilibrium. My personal search to find equilibrium has taken me around the globe. I've lived and worked through the digital revolution and driven transformation at a personal, team and company level. I've moved countries, written books, been on boards, built businesses, studied and read as much as I could, all for one purpose: to live a free, fulfilled and meaningful life on my terms. It hasn't been easy. In fact, if I'm honest, the journey has been plagued with fear, anxiety and self-doubt. But somehow I kept moving forward, attracting guides and like-minded people as I traveled. I was driven by a desire to be a better version of me so that I could show up in a bigger way, overcome the many obstacles in the path, and most importantly, be in the right state to help others lift their personal vibration and find their own equilibrium. Everything in life is a balance. When we're in equilibrium, everything flows. We have inner peace. We're more creative, more proactive, more decisive. We feel centered and can overcome the challenges that we face. The challenge that we all face, though, is that equilibrium is a temporary state, and every day distractions will come along to push you off balance. But don't worry, with the right equilibrium toolkit for you, you'll be able to find your equilibrium again and again. The premise of Finding Equilibrium is that we are whole people with whole lives and need to find total life balance, not just work-life balance, across 5 dimensions of life. These pillars are all interconnected. Financial stress, for example, will impact our thoughts, which will impact our emotions and our physical bodies, as well as our relationships. If we don't intervene, it can be a downward spiral that will eventually require a significant amount of energy to course correct. To give you a head start on your planning, we've created the EQUILIBRIUM Success Toolkit, which brings together some of our best tools, techniques and expert tips to help you travel into the future with confidence. The EQUILIBRIUM Success Toolkit will guide you through the process to develop and execute your own total well-being plan. Click below for all of the details. We're here to help you, and I wish you a happy, abundant and balanced year ahead.